and it's liver worth pudding. I'll think about it. Hey, welcome back to Candra's World Candy Lands. Happy Monday morning. Yes, I am a little fixed up for Monday, but it is what it is. So today I got something light and slight. Some Scrapple and some runny eggs. Not nothing heavy. I got my water. So how is the first day of the week for those that are going back to work? How y'all enjoying that? Oh, this pepper, I got pepper. Ooh, that pepper, y'all. Had to sneeze. It was just pepper. Because I put a lot of pepper in my eggs because I don't do a lot of salt. I ain't putting no salt in my eggs. Look at this yolk, y'all. I love it. I won't have it no other way. So how's y'all weather? It's sunny, but it ain't 80 degrees. That's why I always say I don't play with that March, spring. Take a sip of this. Refreshing. You can tell when your body needs water because you'll drink nonstop. He would drink nonstop. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but this joke hit different. When that meat, I remember when I was little, and my grandma used to make us fried eggs with yolk. Her eggs be so good. Me and my sister used to lick the plate. That's how good that yolk be. I tried to dye my hair, y'all, but it just got right here. I don't know what happened. But it is what it is. I done retwisted my hair. So it is what it is. Now let's see how long I'm gonna let it stay out. Cause y'all know me. I better put the braids back in. But I think I'm gonna go another route. Once this start getting old or looking old, I might pin it up into a bun. If y'all don't like runny eggs, do not knock it until you try it. Cause this is my normal. This is what I grew up on. I'm beginning to like the white eggs. I mean the boiled eggs, but they say the white part is the best. To me, it's not. I don't like the white part. Sometimes I take the white part off and just eat the yolk part of it, of the boiled egg. I'm just strange like that. Y'all see that yolk on that plate? I might take it back to the 80s and lick the place, alright? Today we'll be talking about cancer men, understanding the cancer. So ladies, if you got a cancer man or if one of my family members are cancer, please join in because I'm talking about you. Y'all, this is the first meal of today. And I feel good. on this Monday morning. Yes, I do. I got up before the kids got up, because you know they don't go back to school until next month, all the way to the end, maybe the 27th. They better eat some cereal milk, huh? I ain't even make me a big breakfast. 2 eggs and 2 scraples. And call it a day. I want something for dinner. I don't know what I want. The past home, he'll figure out something. That's another reason why I had to try coming out here and make this video, because I know he up. And because my cat let me know. She was by my door yawning. She could hear when her daddy's footsteps come. That's the cat. That's her daddy. Spike is my son, and his daughter is the cat, Kitty. I thought we supposed to share animals. No. He don't like my dog. And I ain't too far for Kitty. How you like that? So let's get into it, y'all, because I ain't gonna have a long video, because I hear footsteps. I hear footsteps. I'm gonna try to make it to 10. 4 minutes to go. That's why I'm keep looking at my clock. But I don't like distractions. And he would distract me on purpose. So real out. Understanding a Cancer man. Cancer men can be mama's boys. So be prepared to meet his mother or his family. He has good manners and will charm the pants off of you. They are the best man you can have. Oh, wow. Never had a Cancer. But I heard plenty of stories about them. So who lying? Who lying? Because they say Cancer men can be very petty and standoffish. But this reading is saying something else. I gotta go to the one that told me this about her man. I gotta read that to her. When she started talking about her man, I'm be like, But the research say, I'm full, y'all. And like I said, I feel good. I done drowned my water. And it's Monday. I might come live later on. May not. But all in all, y'all, I enjoyed doing this video with you all. I enjoyed the people that watched this video and commented and liked it. But right now, I gotta slide. So you know what time it is. Oh yeah, Tipsy Tuesday. Live will be Tuesday, and I will be grabbing playlists because I don't rant. Everybody that supposed to rant, so I'm out and I want to help. But people don't be coming in my live to say nothing. I have it on my headliner, but oh, excuse me, that's a different story. But like I said, I'm about to slide. So again, you know what time it is. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Ooh, I got caught up with a belch. Excuse me. Until next time, I will see y'all lovely peoples with another mukbang Deuces, 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 deuces. Eh, 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 eh,